These inventors get an opportunity to bring their ideas to life, all under the guidance of our expert mentors.
Hi, I'm Anupama Gowda. I'm the founder of Workbench Projects, a makerspace, fab lab, and a public laboratory. And I'm interested in the intersection of technology with the arts.
Hi, I'm Vaibhav Chabra. I love to make things, a lot of things. Chisel. I graduated as a mechanical engineer and a photographer out of Boston University. I started Makers Asylum about 10 years back with a thought to create a space to come together and build things. Tell me more about your project and what's been up.
Bluetooth versus USB, I'm not sure.
That we can start looking at it to make it more simplistic in design.
जब बहुत टेंशन हो रही थी
हाँ, इस टाइम पे कुछ जुगाड़ करना पड़ेगा. So let's make this.
The Inventor Challenge, tomorrow, 8 p.m. on Colors Infinity and the Inventor Challenge YouTube channel.